Alright guys, welcome to the install video of the Rudy's oil pan on a 6-7 liters power stroke. First of all, common sense, drain the oil. The hardest part is to remove the oil pan because it's all stick with this damn silicone. So I pretty much have to use one of those. Let's see where it is. Right here. To take one bite at a time till you got a proper bites and then take it out. But these are the bolts: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 10 millimeters. Hey guys, so make sure you clean the surface pretty good before putting the new pan in, because you know you will get a leak. So what I use is a brake cleaner and a plastic scraper. I don't know where it went. Or it went somewhere. But yeah, this plastic scraper, or better yet, a plastic wire brush. That way it wouldn't take forever to get this thing off. You want to clean it pretty good before putting it on, if not it's gonna leak. They put way a shit ton of silicone in that oil pan. Alright guys, so that's the finish of the install. Make sure you torque these bolts. Is 89 inch-pound. Follow the PPE ones and it's a 110 inch-pound, but it's too strong. So just follow the OEM bolts to 89. I will say, if you want to go above and beyond, I would say go with a grade 8 bolt. That way it won't break like I just did on this one. Right here. As you can see, I think it's 110 foot-pound and then the bolts break. I have to drill the shit out of it, but I don't see any oil leaks. So I'm just gonna leave it alone for now until I have to do another oil change or another oil pan. And yes, so this is it. With this garage oil pan for $139 MSRP, high-end steel. All right, insane diesel bypass filter install. So there's a bracket here that I mentioned. Watch the video to see the part number. So pretty much get one of those bolts. I just get a grade 8 bolt from online, from Amazon, and get it printed. So mount this right here, and then you're gonna mount the filter at this location close to the oil filter right there. I think it's about 4 feet long for the hose. All right, for the side mount oil sensor, you're gonna need this fitting right here, and this little small instead of 90 degrees that they have on the video. So you pretty much take the oil pressure sensor off, put it in where it belongs, and the oil pressure sensor goes over here. But this is the setup right here, and then yeah, keep on going. All right, so there's the sensor. You're gonna take it out with 24 millimeters and put this thing on there. All right guys, so I route the hose here all the way to this hole right here, back to that hose, and right there to where the oil pressure sensor is. So make sure you have a good measurement and use the end fitting and how to fit the hose. All right, so this is how it's mounted with a pressure sensor on the side, and make sure you mark it with a whiteout or something so you know which position you gotta go. Ride it all the way here and exit. You can zoom out. So from the oil pressure sensor all the way to the in on the container, and then the out all the way back here. So I run it all the way back here to the fender wall, passenger side. Come out through here. You can see that all the way through. And goes around here and goes to the cap right here. Make sure you put all the fittings. Use the tape so you won't leak. And that's how you install the Insane Diesel and Rudy's Performance aftermarket oil pan.